How to add a payment method in Gumroad. So if you want to add a payment method in your Gumroad, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you've logged into your account. After logging in, here on the left side, you will have your dashboard. Scroll down a bit and then go with your name, go with the drop down and then select settings. Now under settings here, you need to go with the payment section and start with the verification. Inside the payment, you need to enter your details to verify your account. Next, you need to choose payout schedule, such as weekly, monthly, or quarterly, and check the minimum payout amount for your country. For me, it's kind of $100. Scroll down to add your bank account. Gumroad requires a bank account before enabling other payment methods. Ensure that your bank details are correct. So enter your bank details to receive your first payout. After that, review the PayPal requirements. Your account must be compliant, earn at least $100, and receive one successful payout. Once these conditions are met, you can add your PayPal account. So that's basically how you can add a payment method in your Gumroad. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.